Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be correcting your worksheets from throughout the week. So let's get right into it. This worksheet is from Wednesday. So it wants us to write the following, to express the following images as addition and then multiplication. So we need to think, how would I find the number of apples here? I would write, well, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Because there's 4 baskets, and each basket is 2 apples. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And let's see how much that is. Well, you can just count all the apples here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. Now, how would I write this as multiplication? I would think, okay, how many 2's are there here? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would write 4 times 2, and this makes, we said here, 8. Next up, we have 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 makes how much? How many apples are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6. How would I write this as multiplication? I would say, well, how many 3's are there? There are 2 3's. So I would write this as 2 times 3. 2 times 3, and how much does that make? Well, this much, 6. Next up, we have 4 turtles up here and another 4 down here. So that's 4 plus 4 makes how much? How many are the turtles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are 8. How would I write this as multiplication? I would say, how many 4's are there? There are 2 4's. So I would say 2 times 4. And that makes how much? Well, this much. So 8. Next up, I want to find out how many straws there are. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Makes how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counted all the straws, and there are 6 of them. How would I write this as multiplication? I would think, how many 2's are there? There are 3 2's. So that makes 3 times 2. And how much is 3 times 2? That would be this much. 6. Okay, next up. We want to make 4 flowers in each vase. Now, I will just be making some, let's say whoever's vase this is, forgot to water them. So there you go, 4 flowers in that vase and 4 flowers in this vase. So now we want to find how many flowers there are. So I would say 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 makes how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How would I write this as multiplication? I would say, how many 4's are there here? That would be 2. So this would be 2 times 4. And that makes this much. So 8. Next up, we want to make 3 apples on each plate. So of course, for the apples, I'm going to grab a big red. We're going to make 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's see, let's find how many there are overall. 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 3, and another 3, and another 3. So how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. How would I write this as multiplication? I would say, how many 3's are there? There are 3 3's. So I would write this as 3 times 3, and that makes 9. All right, so that's your first worksheet. Let's move on to your next worksheet. If you need to see the answers, make sure you got them correctly, pause the video right here. All right. Next up, we want to write the additions as multiplications here. So let's do that. Here we have 2 plus 2 plus 2. So I need to think how many 2's? That would be 3 2's. So I'll write this as 3 times 2. And let's make our letters a little smaller because they're not going to fit. Okay. Next up here, I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many 1's? That would be 5 1's. So this is 5 times 1. Here we have 3 plus 3 plus 3. So that's 3 3's. So 3 times 3. Here we have 3 plus 3. That's just 2 3's. So that's 2 times 3. Here we have 4 plus 4. So that's 2 4's. So 2 times 4. And we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 4 times 2. Here we have 5 plus 5. So that's 2 5's. So 2 times 5. Here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that's 3 times 1. Here we want to turn the multiplications into additions. So we want to do the opposite of what we just did. So 1 times 3 is just 1 3. 1 times 4 is just 1 4. And we have 2 times 3, which means 2 3's. And I need to add them together. Then we have 4 times 2, which means 4 2's. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That's 4 2's. 3 times 3 means 3 3's. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. 5 times 2 means 5 2's. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Next up, let's fill in the blanks here. One cat has 2 ears. Okay. 2 cats have, well, 2 from one cat and 2 from another cat makes 4. They have 4 ears. So I would say that 2 times 2 makes 4. Next up, 3 cats. So we have 2 from one cat, another 2 from another cat, and another 2 from another cat. How many is that? If you count the ears of the cats here, you'll find 6. There's 6 cats. There's 6 ears. So that means that 3 times 2, because there's 3 2's here, makes 6. Next, we have 4 cats. So 2 from one cat, and another 2 from another cat, and another 2 from another cat, and another 2 from the last cat makes altogether 8. So that means that 4 times 2, because there's 4 2's here, that makes 8. And there we go. That's all of your exercises for the week. So if you want to check your answers, pause your video right here. And that will be all for this week. Have a good weekend. Do your homework. And I will see you again on Monday. Bye.